Nowadays, snoring is very common. About 45% of adults snore. Snoring disturbs side sleepers. Snoring begins when the muscles in the throat vibrate when they are at rest. Following these tips to overcome can reduce snoring. Dry air in the sleeping room causes snoring in many people. Air movement becomes difficult due to dryness of nostrils and throat. This leads to snoring. So keeping a humidifier in the room can solve the problem to some extent. Pranayam improves control over breathing. So learning pranayam is good. Due to this yoga process, the lungs get enough oxygen. Blood circulation in the body is also improved. Pranayam not only relieves snoring but also many sleep-related disorders. The body gets new energy. Snoring can be prevented by strengthening the muscles in the throat and tongue. Throat and tongue exercises strengthen them. Breathing is not obstructed at rest. Being overweight can also cause snoring. Obese people make hoarseness during sleep due to excess cells in the throat. Snoring starts due to difficulty in breathing. Smoking can also cause snoring. So it is better to stay away from this unhealthy habit. Elevating your head while sleeping can also reduce the problem of snoring to some extent. It helps prevent snoring due to tongue. Make sure the pillow is not too high or too thin. Avoid consuming alcohol before going to bed. Due to alcohol, the cells in the throat become relaxed and the tongue goes back. As a result, snoring problem arises. Drinking 2 spoons of turmeric mixed with a glass of milk before going to sleep at night can cure the problem of snoring. Applying 2 drops of warmed ghee in the nostrils reduces snoring and improves sleep. Brahmi oil used in Ayurvedic medicine can also be used instead of ghee. Doing this twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to sleep, will give results. Drinking half a tablespoon of cardamom seeds powder in a glass of hot water before going to bed at night is sure to give results. It is a good medicine to prevent snoring.